Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, guys. It has been a couple weeks since I've been able to make a video. We are in October now, so we are technically in fall. But give you a heads up what's been going on. Not much has changed with old Blue back behind me, but some small things have happened. Number one is the temperature has dropped down. Right now, the DA at Jackson Dragway is not less than 900 feet. So today is going to be a good day for some runs to see what this car is actually going to do in some good air. Number two, the biggest change, I guess you could say, the race stars are gone. That's right. I ended up finding these. I picked up a set of Weld RTS 71 forged, 20x7 in the front with a 215 front runner, and of course 17x10 in the back. And I swapped over my ET Street R's off my race stars. So right now we do have the setup on the car. We're ready to go. Nothing else drivetrain wise has changed except for the wheels and tires. Now, weird tidbit information. From having the 18-inch front runners with the bias plies to the 17-inch front runners with the radials to these, the weights are not what you think. The lightest one was the 18-inch bias ply with the M&H Race Masters. The next is this. The heaviest ones I had on here were 17-inch front runners with the Mickey Thompson radials. The bias pliers are weighed in at 36 pounds a wheel. These are 40, and the other ones are 47 pounds a wheel and tire. That is crazy. But it also shows you how light, Mickey Thompson, or not Mickey, how light Weld makes their wheels. But other than that, guys, that's what we got going on today. We're about to head to the track. We got a customer coming in with a nitrous Fox with a swap. I'll show it to you when we get there. And Ken's also bringing the black car, so let's get to the track. All right, guys, we're at the track. It's a very good Sunday. DA right now. I'm gonna look at my phone right now to see what the DA actually says it is. Gotta love apps. DA right now is 974 feet, so we should get a good run. The last time we ran this car was in 2500 air, so 1500 drop. We're gonna see what she's gonna do. Ken's out here in the black car. We are still waiting for our other customer to show up in his Fox, and let's get to it. All right, guys, you saw those two runs right there. The first run I ran the same time as I did before. It was 670. The second run, I finally did get down closer to where I wanted to be. We got down to a 653 at 111.91, so I am very happy with that. Show you, guys, there's no weight taking out the car. I still have back seats. I still have front seats. Hell, I got the leather covers in here. I even still got a couple tools in the car I haven't even taken out yet. So, and plus, you got my almost 300-pound tail in the car, which doesn't help it out much any either. But anyway, guys, like I said, we got some of the bigger heavy hitters out here with the Coyotes. We're gonna get some videos of them running, and whenever our customer gets here, we're gonna get some videos of his car, so stay tuned. All right, guys, yeah, we're not at the track. We had a couple people had mishaps this afternoon. We had one go off the end of the track, didn't get hurt. Car got banged up, but he didn't get hurt. Had somebody dump transmission fluid in one lane, they got shut down for the night, and then had a turbo car come out there and unfortunately blew antifreeze over the other side of the track, so they went ahead and shut it down for the night. But it's all good. We got a few good passes in. They got the car dialed in and figured out. So now next thing we're going to be working on is doing probably a mild converter and getting the trans built just to make sure it's up to the task. But other than that, car's done great. Like I said, 650s, almost 112. I'm happy. I'm very happy with that right there. We're we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna do some other stuff to it. We'll probably over the winter time. So just stay tuned. But anyway, guys, if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Smash that like button. Share with your friends. Like I said, I'm still trying to grow the channel. I'm almost at 250. After 250, my next goal is gonna be 500. So if you could help me get to my goal, I would be so awesome and so appreciative of y'all. But anyway, guys, take it easy. Be safe. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.